Hello guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's video without having a further delay. So this video is about to going to be the routine of present day of 4th July 2024 of the day 242. So basically from the last too many days routine video I was unable to shoot, but I have already completed. I have already shoot the last too many days routine video, and yeah. So this video is about to going to be the routine of 4th July 2024 of the present days routine. Okay, I'm not shooting any past days or skip days routine video. Okay, so this video is about the present days routine video. So basically guys, without having further delay, let's start this video. So basically today I woke up at 3 a.m. around. Firstly at the time of 2:55 a.m. around. Basically my alarm was like bajna. I don't know what we call bajna in English. I got a new word in my vocabulary, so let me write it. It's bajna. My alarm ring, or we can also say maybe my alarm, we can also say that maybe, I don't know exactly about that, my alarm ring at 2:55 a.m. So I wake up and I off the alarm, but after that again at the time of 3 a.m. my alarm again ring. So after that on the time I woke up and I sat on the chair till 4. So after that I didn't study. So basically guys, this is the thing which I don't like about this. I didn't study today. I don't know what actually happened in my mind, and after that I went for the sleep again using my phone. I don't know what's my nature actually happened today from the last too many days, except yesterday. From the last 10 days routine video, I don't know, that was literally very fantastic routine happens, but I don't know what actually happened. It is literally a very bad thing that I am doing, and today I'll tell you what's actually happened today. Okay, so basically after waking up, after around, I think that 9 or 10 a.m. I woke up and I went to the ground floor, and my mother told me that here is the mix pulse and chapati you will eat. So after that I ate food. Okay, first I had taken the bath, and after that I wore the clothes, and after that I worshipped at a very proper manner, and after that I didn't do too much thing. I just ate the food. What I ate today? I ate today food, and I ate food. Okay, I ate food. 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 So basically after that what I had done, I ate food while watching the TV. I again spoke that I ate food. So basically while watching the TV I ate food. Okay, so yeah, basically this is the thing which was actually happened. Okay, so after that I didn't done too much thing. Okay, I went to the basically maybe I went to bathroom before taking the bath or after taking the bath, and I also purchased the pens. Okay, I purchased 2 blue pens and 2 blue pens. Okay, here is one, I know that one is situated, and and 2 black pens, and of course obviously one black pen is also here situated. So here is 2 black pen, and one blue pen is here, and one blue pen is inside my notebook. So basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened, and after that I went to the first floor and I started thinking something, but I had not studied too much. Basically Sunday is the routine that where I have to revise all the vocabularies as well as the solve the questions. Okay, but I gave too much advantage. I've given the right at the time of Sunday. I have to study at any case. The goal which I have decided that in Sunday that I have to revise and I have to solve MTP model test question paper, PYQ previous year question papers. But if I have not done in Sunday, then I will do tomorrow at any case. But in case of Monday's routine video, if I forget, then I will not do the another video, another day's okay. But in case of Sunday, if I missed anything, then I can do this in Monday. Okay, because revising is much important than studying. Okay, so yeah guys, basically this is the thing which was actually happened till here. Okay, so after that my mother came, and I went to the ground floor and I ate food with her. Okay, and I talked to her some topics, and after that I came to the first floor again. I went to the ground floor. Okay, so basically that this is the thing which was actually happened, and after that again I went to the first floor, and after that today I have filled. I have the payment process was remaining in the of the my Paycom honors, so I have done the payment. Okay, so after that I didn't done too much thing. Okay, basically this is the thing which was actually happened, and after that I ate some um, some what we can say that is a kind of namkeen, or we can say bhujia type. I don't know what we call it in English, namkeen or bhujia. Okay, I don't know what we call it in English, but I will answer very soon. Okay, so basically guys, I ate, and after that I didn't do too much thing. I went to the first floor and I started shooting the video. So basically this is the thing which was actually happened, and I went after shooting the video, I went to the ground floor and I ate food, and after that I came, and after that I will sleep. Before sleeping I study something, and I went for the sleep. So basically this is the thing which was actually happened today. I hope you will understand till here. If you really understand till here, then can please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a continuously manner. So yeah. So basically today I have shooted from the past too many days routine video. So right now I'm feeling too much tired, but I have to shoot today's routine video. So basically, so let's start from the very first word. Really, we will learn today also the 5 words. Our first word is beetroot. चुकंदर. क्या तुमने कभी चुकंदर खाया है? Have you ever ate beetroot? Beetroot means guys चुकंदर. Chukandar means guys beetroot. Okay. तोरी means guys ridged gourd. आज मुझे तोरी की सब्जी खानी है. Today I want to eat ridged gourd सब्जी. I have some confusion that gourd, gourd, or I was speaking like that, a gourd. So there is some confusion of mine, but I will solve it very soon. Chasing, पीछा करते हुए. क्या तुमने उससे मेरा पीछा करते हुए देख रहे थे? Have you saw chasing me to him? I have some confusion regarding this example or this word, but I will research very soon. Let me mark it here. Okay. So our third word is sue. Sue means guys मुकदमा चलाना. I will sue you on court. मैं तुम्हारा मुकदमा कोर्ट में चलाऊंगा, या मैं तुम्हें कोर्ट में घसीटूंगा. It's just an example, guys. It is just an example. Don't take it seriously. I will sue you on court. Okay. So the last word is consideration. सोच विचार. After consideration, सोच विचार के बाद क्या पता चला? After consideration, what will you get to know? Okay. So guys, basically this is the thing which was actually happened, and today we will not revise the example, because right now I'm feeling too much tired. So basically this is because I've already already revised from the past few days routine video, and I've revised more than 200 examples. Okay, so 200 examples, or we can also that I have revised the 200 plus vocabulary. Okay, so basically this is the thing which was actually happened, and I hope you really understand till yet. If you really understand till yet, then kindly please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos. And one thing I just only wanted to tell you that guys, if you found any kind of mistakes when I speak in English, like some grammatical mistakes, so you kindly please tell me in the comment section, so that I can really improve my English speaking skills, and I will really appreciate you that you are trying to help me. Okay, so yeah, but guys, I will try it from now. I will try to that I will not skip any day's routine video, just because that it's not a good thing that I skip, and at the time of too much burden came on my mind, and right now I'm feeling too much tired, because today I've shoot from the last too many days routine video, so I'm feeling too much tired. So I shouldn't do such kind of activities. I have to shoot daily routines video. If some days routine video was skipped, not more than 1 day's routine videos I want to skip. Okay, if I skip today's routine video, then I have to complete tomorrow for the today's video and tomorrow's routine video. Okay, so basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened, and I will try that I will not skip any day's routine video. So yeah, and this is the thing which was actually happened. And yeah, and from the first day, this is it to day 242, and we are very reached to the next goal of day 250. Okay, so from the first day we have started, and we will complete the day 250. It's really a very good thing. So I think guys, it is enough for today, so let's end the video guys. See you, bye bye.